If you want to track important project checkpoints in Monday.com, adding milestones is a powerful way to highlight key achievements and deadlines. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add a milestone using Monday.com's Gantt view, so you can visually organize your project timeline and give your team clarity about what matters most. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up milestones that stand out so no goal gets missed. First, let's make sure you're working in the right place. Monday.com offers several board views, but for milestones, the Gantt view is your best friend. If you don't see it at the top of your board already, simply look for the plus Add View button. You'll spot this near your board's header area. Go ahead and click that, then select Gantt from the dropdown. Don't worry if you've never used Gantt charts before. Think of it as a more visual, calendar-style way to map out your entire project. The Gantt view will lay out all your tasks along a timeline, making big milestones easy to spot. Once you're in the Gantt view, it's time to add a new item, which, in Monday.com lingo, means adding a task. You can do this either by clicking the usual plus Add Item button, or sometimes there's a quick entry spot just under your list of tasks. Give your milestone a clear, descriptive name so anyone on your team immediately knows what it's about. For example, instead of just milestone, call it Product Launch Date or Phase 1 Completion. Clarity at this step saves confusion later and helps everyone rally around the big goals. Next up, you'll want to define the date or timeline of your milestone. In Gantt charts, every item needs a start and end date. This is how Monday.com knows where to place it on your project's timeline. Milestones typically occur on a single day, so as you click on the Gantt chart area next to your new item, you can set both the start and end date to the same day. If this part feels a bit fiddly, just take your time. Drag the edges or pick the date from the pop-up calendar until everything lines up. If your milestone marks the end of a critical phase, make sure it's set on the exact date when that phase wraps up. Doing this right means that when you look at your board later, major points will stand out at a glance. Now for the key step, turning your task into a milestone. In Monday.com's Gantt view, milestones are visually distinct, usually marked by a diamond or flag icon to catch the eye. When you click on the colored bar representing your task timeline, a small pop-up menu will appear. Look for the milestone icon. It's often a little diamond shape. Clicking this instantly transforms your item, telling Monday.com to treat it as a major singular event rather than an ongoing task. You'll notice the task's appearance changes on the chart, setting it apart so nobody can miss it. That's all there is to it. You've now added a milestone to your Monday.com board using the Gantt view. These milestones are fantastic for tracking deadlines like launch dates, major approvals, or handover points in any workflow. If you ever need to edit or move your milestone, just click it again in the Gantt view. You can adjust dates or even switch it back to a regular task if plans change. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need advice for managing your workflow in Monday.com. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help you master your project management tools. Thanks for watching and good luck adding those milestones.